You know, I told the story before, and basically, I mean, the Indy Speedway is so, I don't know, in my heart or what it is, but just growing up with my dad and watching the Indy 500 for years and years as a young kid, and obviously the biggest, you know, Indy race of the year, and it was always fun times and good memories that I had of that, and one in particular I think was 86 or 85. I forget when Danny Sullivan did the spin and still won, and that's a memory that'll stand out in my mind forever. But crossing the yard of bricks is, and that's what it is. You know, it's just all that history that's behind it for me, and it's pretty special.
Well, for a rider like me, it's always pleasure, no? It's a pleasure to be in America and to be in this mythic place like Indianapolis, no? I hear, when I was a child, I hear so much things and magic things about this track, and to have the possibility to race with my M1, with my Yamaha, is good.
It's so impressive, you know. You go there. I went for the 500. I think when we were first coming with the bikes, we brought Nicky Hayden out and he rode on the parade lap or something beforehand, and it's just an awesome experience. And even when you walk in now on a Thursday and there's no one really there, just the size of the place, the sheer size and scope of the whole place is unbelievable. And I think everyone who's involved in the bikes, we don't go to anywhere like this at all. Here you just feel the history, and yeah, it's a pretty impressive place to come to all the time. I tell you, most people in paddock love coming over for these 2 weekends to race in the States, and yeah, everyone's definitely looking forward to this one. If it stays nice, we'll be on for a great race.